Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the paper Snapdragon flower. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You could also find the supplies listed below along with the template to cut with your Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines and a hand-cut version for those that don't have a cutting machine. There will be 2 parts to each flower, and you could cut this on a pink or white or any color. These flowers come in so many vibrant colors. I like to add a little yellow on the smaller piece where it has the 2 scallops. Then shape the bigger piece by curling in both the top and bottom side. Then curl the tips, both bottom and top, out. So the sides are curled towards you and the tips are curled away from you. Then the smaller piece curl in with the yellow being the inside. Then curl back the top with the 2 scallops and the yellow side. And then for the bottom, which has the 3 sections, fold that so they actually crease and fold it up towards the yellow. Then go to the 3 sections and randomly pinch each section. It's supposed to be very wavy and randomly flowing on this edge. Then go back to the bigger piece and there is a noticeably smaller side that almost creates a cone. Add hot glue on that side and fold up and attach the bigger end. It should create like a cone in the inside and the ends are flaring out. And then add glue on the smaller 2 scallops. Add the smaller second piece with the yellow side going towards the inside of the cone. And these flowers will go this direction where the 2 scallops are on top and the 3 sections that are folded will be on the bottom that we just glued. Then with 24 gauge floral wire, cut a piece and loop one end and make the loop go perpendicular to the rest of the wire. Poke a hole on that star shape in the center and attach to the floral wire and add hot glue on the bottom and quickly add the Snapdragon flower on top and close up the star like leaves onto the flower. Make a bunch of these. I added as many as I could fit on 2 sheets of letter size paper, and I have a few that are smaller and few that are bigger, so they do range in size. I also cut a few extra of just the smaller pattern, and this will be smaller in size as well for the bud on top of the overall flower. Curl in the piece, then curl the tips towards you as well, a little different from the bigger ones. Then get floral wire and just make a regular loop and add hot glue on the end of the 2 scallop and add the looped floral wire and roll the bud piece kind of like a cone shape. Then poke a hole on another star shape and glue that to the bottom and close up the leaves close to the bud. Then we'll make an even smaller bud that will be on the way top of the flower. Get another floral wire with just a loop and use green tissue paper about a little smaller than the size of your palm, and then ball that tissue paper up. Then open the ball a little to add hot glue and add the looped end of the floral wire and remold the tissue paper over the floral wire loop. Then poke a hole on the bigger star-like shape and bring it next to the tissue paper ball and add glue on the tips of each leaf and close it up. I made about 6 of these, and you could add more or less of any of these shapes. Starting from these green buds, start floral taping and gathering going down. After the green buds, you could add the small floral buds and continue going down the wire. Before we go on to the bigger flowers, organize them to small to big and start with the smaller ones and add a thicker floral wire as well right around here with the first flower and continue going down, adding the flowers from small to big. In the middle, I did adjust the flowers to make sure they are going the right direction, where the side with the 2 scallops should be on the top side. You could add more or less of any of these sizes, and these flowers are really tall, so you could keep going much more than I did here. They also come in a variety of colors, so try other colors. I've done just a white with some pink edges and yellow centers. You could also pair them with other paper flowers that you can check out on my channel. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.